Dear students, once again I am here to teach you English literature for class 5th. I would like to give you a brief introduction of the second chapter, Oliver Twist. This novel is written by Charles John Dickens. Charles Dickens was born on 7th February 1812 and he died on 9th June 1870. He was an English novelist. He is well known for creating some of the best fictional characters and is considered as the leading novelist of Victorian era. Some of his most popular novels include A Tale of Two Cities, A Christmas Carol, Oliver Twist, Great Expectation, and David Copperfield. Now let us listen the summary of the story Oliver Twist. Oliver Twist is the story of a young orphan boy who lived in England in the 1830s. Here is a story from the novel about the early years of his life. Oliver Twist is born a sickly infant in a workhouse. The parish surgeon and a drunken nurse attend his birth. His mother kisses his forehead and dies, and the nurse announces that Oliver's mother was found lying in the streets the night before. Authorities at the workhouse send Oliver to a branch workhouse where he spends the first 9 years of his life under the supervision of Mrs. Munn. The overseer, Mrs. Munn, receives an adequate sum for each child's upkeeping, but she keeps most of the money and lets the children go hungry, sometimes even letting them die. On Oliver's ninth birthday, Mr. Bumble, a minor church official, informs Mrs. Munn that Oliver is too old to stay at her establishment. Since no one has been able to discover his mother's or father's identity, he must return to the workhouse. Mrs. Munn asks how the boy came to have any name at all. Mr. Bumble tells her that he keeps a list of names in alphabetical order, naming the orphans from the list as they are born. Mrs. Munn fetches Oliver. When Mr. Bumble is not looking, she glowers and shakes her fist at the boy. So he stays silent about the miserable conditions at her establishment. Before Oliver departs, Mrs. Munn gives him some bread and butter so that he will not seem too hungry at the workhouse. The workhouse offers the poor the opportunity to starve slowly as opposed to quick starvation on the streets. For the workhouse, the undertaker's bill is a major budget item due to the large number of deaths. Oliver and his young companions suffer the tortures of slow starvation. One night at dinner, one child tells the others that if he does not have any bowl of gruel, he might eat one of them. Terrified, the children at the workhouse cast lots determining that whoever loses shall be required to ask for more food for the boy. Oliver loses, and after dinner, the other children insist that Oliver asks for more food at supper. His request so shocked the authorities that they offer £5 as a reward to anyone who would want to take the boy and make him his apprentice. It means a person who learns a trade from a skilled employer having agreed to work for a fixed period at low stages. So, my dear students, I hope you might have understood the story of Oliver Twist.